So, this is what happens when Mommy gets caught up in watching hussy videos for an hour. Charlie, what did you do? Charlie, are you being naughty? This is all my fault. I openly admit it. I was lured in by hussiness and could not tear my eyes away. Ah!
What are you doing, Charlie?
Charlie, are you being a naughty girl? Look at that face, though. Yeah, so thanks a lot. Say bye-bye. Charlie, say bye-bye. Ah, what a mess.